Hey everyone! Although a little late, let's talk about resolution. How many of you are aiming to live a healthier lifestyle this year? Staying active and exercising has become such a big trend lately, and honestly, it's such a great one. With fitness becoming a growing priority, people are on the hunt for the perfect workout gear, especially shoes. With countless sneaker brands and design out there, why not promote them with an engaging Instagram post? Welcome back to Din Studio. I'm Zaki. In today's video, I'll show you how to design stylish and engaging Instagram posts for a shoe promotion using Canva. Let's jump in and get started. Alright, the first step to any great design is finding inspiration. I'm heading to Pinterest to search for some creative Instagram post ideas for shoe promotion. Look at this, clean layouts, bold colors, and fun fonts. These are perfect for showcasing stylish footwear. With a bright and energetic color palette, we focus on cobalt blue and red tones to create a vibrant, modern feel that captures attention and conveys the energy of an active lifestyle. Now, for the fonts, I'm heading over to dinstudio.com. Search the script category and select the Feeling Passionate font, which looks just like this. Its modern, handwritten brush style adds a personal and dynamic flair to the design. This font is perfect for creating a captivating and approachable vibe, making your message stand out effortlessly. Okay, now that we have our inspiration and fonts ready, it's time to move to Canva and bring it all together. Here, we are in Canva. First, we are creating an Instagram post size artboard, which is 2000 by 2000 pixels. Let's prepare design assets, including shoe image, color palettes, and graphic elements in Canva. Now, we add the text, "It's gotta be perfect shoes" as the main text. First, write down "It's gotta" with the P sans font. After that, adjust the position. Next, we write P below the text. Use the same font, but alter the size and make it bigger. Let's not forget to adjust the letter spacing for neater appearance. The next step is to add the word perfect. We'll be using the same font and size with the one used for the "It's gotta" text. Again, don't forget to make some adjustment for the spacing to harmonize it with other elements. We add a text part after that and make adjustments again. We add a rectangle as an accent to make the design look more balanced with the other text. Choose a suitable color according to our palette. Add a rectangle again, this time behind the text B. This will help give contrast that highlights the text. Let's adjust the color text with cobalt blue and red for our palette. These colors are energetic and therefore ideal for promoting sports shoes. Once done, make sure that all elements are in the center of the artboard. And then insert the sport shoes element into our design. To add accents, we can duplicate the shoe elements. Put those elements in an appealing position to give it a dynamic vibe. Add the text shoes under it. Use the font Feeling Passionate from our studio that is available in Canva, license-free for personal use. Change the color to blue according to our palette. Alright, now before we move on to the next elements, there are essential tips to make an effective and appealing Instagram post. First thing first, make sure the visuals stand out and is bold. Use HD pictures or designs and combine them with harmonious font choices. Second, make your message short yet clear. For instance, highlight the promotion or the product features well. And lastly, don't forget to leverage the white space. This will help your design appear neater and more focused on the important elements. So, how was it? Easy, isn't it? Alright then, let's continue. Moving on, add texture to the design background to make it more interesting. Adjust the color to make the overall design harmonious. To make the design lively, add sports theme pictures. Make sure they support the design message you want to convey. Let's choose pictures of a person running or jumping. Add a duotone effect to those images. You need to click Edit. In the effect part, choose duotone. Adjust the color according to the overall design. After that, we add a halftone effect. Choose Apps and then Screen and select halftone. Don't forget to save it. For the finishing, let's use an aero filter. Add one more picture. Use the same effect as before. This additional image functions to strengthen our design storytelling visual. Don't forget to add a short description about the sports shoes we are promoting on the right side of the design. Ensure the clarity and appeal of the information for the audience. And then add a shoe element as an accent above the text. In the bottom part, add additional information like the website you can visit. This is important information for call to action. Lower the stroke version of the text B and put it above the shoe layer. This effect gives a cool dimensional vibe. Ultimately, save the design or download it. Now, you guys have a professional and catchy Instagram post. Have fun trying! And here's our final design. Look at how professional and eye-catching this Instagram post looks. A bold, eye-catching Instagram post that combines vibrant shoe imagery, dynamic typography, and striking red accents. The tagline, "It's gotta be perfect sport shoes," stand out, creating an engaging and scroll-stopping visual. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about this design? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to tell me what tutorial you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future design tips. See you in the next video. Bye!